Schmucker Spartans, school counselor Mrs. Eck here. I wanted to take a second today to show you how to access your schedule in Skyward. There's a lot of valuable information in your schedule, so I thought it would be helpful to make sure everyone knows how to do that. So all you need to do is log into your Skyward account, and you are going to click the tab that says Schedule. When I go there, I can see all my classes for my gold days and all my classes for my blue days. Now, you know by now that for the most part your schedule stays the same, but if you're in 6th grade, there's one period a day that changes based on whether it's a gold day or a blue day. And if you're in 7th or 8th grade, your wellness teacher might do their health and PE classes on that same gold and blue day schedule. Sometimes we get questions, is it a gold day or is it a blue day? And there's a spot you can check in the schedule feature to figure that out. If I go to the far left corner, there's a view option, and right now it's set to all year. But if I go to weekly schedule, it's going to tell me whether it's a gold day or a blue day every day of the week. For example, it says that today, Monday, August 31st, is a gold day. And you'll notice it tells me every single day for this week whether it's a gold day or a blue day. And this will update every week for you. There's other valuable information here as well. For example, when we come back to face-to-face learning, you'll be able to look here and see where each of your teachers are located in the building. For example, Mr. Black is located in room 321. I can also see where my teachers are located if I go into the year view. Again, Mr. Black, and I find this number right here and it tells me he is in room 321. So hopefully you find this information valuable now and in the future. Have a great day.